what if Sara Duterte wins? Because that's what pundits are also saying. At this point, mukhang if elections were held
She's
now,
the woman to beat. Ano natin? 3 years, si BBM, he still has time to reform. Diba? So, kung nilagay bagong speaker dyan, make sure na may marching orders yan na tunay for reform. Diba? Yung mga senador, mostly they're on their own. You know? Pero, ang ano ko, this you have 3 years? Yes. Eh, kung ang gusto niya, priority bills. Oh, priority bills ko, amend the party list system. Pass the anti-dynasty law. Oh, pass the zero infrastructure budget for districts. Oh, change shorten the term of the representatives in the House of Reps. Oh, mga ganun. Make a permanent commission on anti-corruption like Indonesia. Oh, di ba? Sabihin niya, may ombudsman, may prosecution yun eh. Yung investigation commission na ilalagay mo dyan na hindi natuloy during GMA's time. It was supposed to be Chief Justice Davides, hindi natuloy. Yung mga ganun, yung mga reforms na pagka 3 years sasabihin natin, ay salamat. Salamat naman at itong election na itong 2028 ay talagang the will of the people. The will of the people dahil wala nang vote buying.
Sara Duterte presidency, because some sectors are also saying change must happen, government must correct itself, but we should make sure that there should be no more Duterte in government. Oh, so ikaw, anong basa mo naman?
Sino ba yung nagsasabi na no more Duterte?
Maraming ganun. Sa mga protest, ganito
gusto lang,
may DDS.
Gusto din
may
naman,
church. At saka syempre yung left, di ba?
Gusto din naman lang kasi sila mong presidente. Alam nyo, hindi ba demokrasya ito? Hindi ba ito padamihan ng boto? Oh, galit kayo kay Sara Duterte kasi hindi nyo talaga kaya. Kahit anong gawin nyo, anong ginawa ngayon ng mga congressman. Pinasa ang budget niya without any question. Courtesy na daw. Hina mo kung ano kayo ka. Mga balimbing kayo. Wala pa nga 2027 eh. Lalaro na kayo kasi baka sakaling magpresidente yari kayo.
That's how you read it?
Yeah.
Na pumapwesto na ha, para nakita na nila na nawalan na ng poder.
Parliamentary courtesy. Bull. Eh, yung impeachment nyo. Yung mga quadcom nyo dyan, mga tawag ng tao, tuwadcom. No other institution of government is so vilified by the people than this House of Representatives. Ang hirap talaga ng
Representatives. I caught your word.
Tao, wala na talaga silang dangal. Nakakahiya na. Ginoo ko, nakakahiya na. Parang, ano ba yan? Parang ayoko na mag-congressman. Parang, if you have any sense of decency at all, stop! Stop your kickbacks! Di ba kayo nahiya niyan yung mga apo nyo, mga ano nyo, nadadamay yan? Stop it! Gusto nyo lang, not another Duterte. Bakit? Gusto nyo, iba? Sino? Sino ang gusto nyo? Sige, I will answer you, but you answer me now. Sino ba ang gusto nyo para alam ko rin kung sino ang boboto ko? Wag. Si Ma'am Aquino? Not another Aquino. Sabi nyo, wala nang dilawan. Oh.
Sino?
Si Sharon Cuneta. Pwede, diba?
Yung marami talagang ayaw ng Sara Duterte presidency.
Sinong marami?
Marami niyan. Ang dami nagsasabi, syempre, mga kaalaban. Kaya nga, yung mga pro-impeachment.
Ikaw na rin nagsabi, pag eleksyonin natin ngayon, panalo si Sara.
Would that be a bad thing to happen?
Why should it be a bad thing?
Because they're saying that much of the theft happened during the time of the Duterte administration.
Then put it there in the investigation. Where is it?
Well, ICI pa lang nga mag-establish na.
Ah.
But we're saying, di ba, moving
Alam
forward,
mo, ang
parang
hirap-
are we going to vote the same people in
Ang hirap naman
government na
kasi,
nakikita na nga raw? I'm just mouthing what people are saying.
Hanapan nyo naman ng corruption ng mga Duterte na hindi nyo muna unahin itong mga congressman ngayon na sure na meron ng mga contractors at engineers na were sinusuka na yung alam nila. Aba, may witness kayo dyan against Bulong Duterte, why not? Ilagay nyo dyan sa investigation commission nyo, no one should be spared. Di ba? Pero yung Pulong got 51 billion. How much did Romualdez get? Right? But do you trace any flood control funds in his name? Wala, di ba? Except sabi ni Meow Congressman Kiko Barzaga na wala naman daw baha doon sa Dasmariñas for 20 years. Biglang siya ang caretaker si Romualdez ay may flood control funds na ang district ni Pids Barzaga.